Hello guys, today we will be going over F2 modeling. Now, in case you're wondering why I have F1 over here, it's because F2 significantly relies on the measurements of F1. So first, let's create a new file. And let's start our 2D sketch. First of all, F2 specifically relies on the dimensions of F1. There isn't much CADing to do, but rather paying to specific instructional directions and about dimensional awareness. So first of all, we just have a random square. We must make sure that this square is equal to the dimensions of F1, which is 2.10. So all I have to do is 2.1. And there we go. And then for how long it is, we can do about 4 inches. This is so that the patient's hand does not slip off of the device so that this can hold their hand in. With that said, you can change this to either 3.5 or 4. It depends on your design. However, I recommend around 3 to 4 inches, preferably 3.5. Now that we have that done, we must drill in our hole. Now, create a construction line by pressing onto this construction tool over here and create any perpendicular line. Then right click and left click cancel. Then a circle. Like that. Now, this is the time to specifically pay attention. As you guys can see from part 3 sketch, you realize that from the center, it is 0.6 inches and 0.3 inches. We must keep that in mind. So that this would be 0.3 inches as well as this circle. Now, we must get the center of this rectangle. To do that, all you have to do is get a line from here to there. And usually, the program will automatically get the point for you. From there, all you have to do is get the dimension from this point to the center. Now, sometimes the center won't exactly show itself. So what you must do is create a line from here to the actual center. Then click on the dimensional tool, get this point and the center, and put in our numbers 0.5. To check, you could go back and see that it is indeed 0.6. So you can also change that like this. At the end, click Finish Sketch, and all you have to do is extrude it by 0.25 inches. And there, that's all to it. There's a lot of creative approaches to this design, since the placement of this hole is the only mandatory part. You can try to fillet this part quite significantly, making it into a more round design if you wanted to. You can even notch this up to 0.8 to ensure more of a round design. You can also apply these to these corners and see what happens. Now, there's a lot of creative liberties that can be taken with this piece, so I hope you guys put a lot of creativity into it. With that said, good luck modeling.